It has been great visiting iLEAD and its campus.
It's beautiful how iLEAD has changed our lives.
iLEAD has always been like a home away from home for me.
It gives you the energy and the inclination to really do something meaningful.
Being on the campus has been a great opportunity for me as well to understand what the young students of Kolkata think.
The course which iLEAD teaches is very dynamic.
iLEAD does all the things possible to ensure that the students are ready for the professional world when they leave this college.
Here I not only enjoyed my life, but I learned and worked in many different projects.
Classes, projects, internships and all that I have done here has a major contribution in making who I am today.
The faculty here was supportive.
You have your digital library, you have a good collection of books also. You have different setups like media studies and other setups also, all under one roof.
I can assure you that this institute, particularly its Department of Media Sciences, is going to be one of the best in very short time.
The students look absolutely clued into whatever is happening today, which means they are getting whatever a filmmaker needs to get when he's at a film school.
If you really want to achieve something, every instrument will help you, and you will be able to get what you want to get if you put your mind to it.
I think primarily what we require more than to learn something is about to have a passion.
Love what you're doing, and then everything will fall into place.
Today, mostly what I am is because of this institution.
So I want to thank iLEAD for this change and difference they've brought in me.
Which helped me improve myself professionally as well as a person.
I've had the best days of my life at iLEAD.